Here's today's Remy Quick Tech Tip TS-017. Today I'm going to be speaking about Volkswagens that have the symptom of not starting when hot. Specifically, we'll be referring to the 1974 to 1993 Cabriolet, the Golf, the Jetta, and Rabbit, all with automatic transmissions. Now, according to Volkswagen TSB number 92-02, it indicates low voltage may arrive at the starter's ignition terminal due to corrosion or loose connections. Voltage at this terminal should not drop below 10 volts while cranking. Keep in mind that vehicle age also contributes to the problem. So what is the solution? Simply check the voltage at the starter's ignition terminal while the key is in the start position. If the voltage drops below 10 volts, inspect all circuit connections and repair as needed. If the problem continues, Volkswagen does offer a relay, part number 191-911-251, and this will permanently correct the condition. That's the Remy Quick Tech Tip, and it's another reason why your next starter or alternator should be a Remy.